Happy Sunday, parents and lean home organizers. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of my favorite things, cloth tape. I'm going to show you where to get it from. It's from Bunnings, and a Sharpie, and I'm going to show you the power of using it in your home for your family. So here is my day today. I decided that today was the day, Sunday was the day to get some order, get some 3S'ing happening, some shining, some sorting, and some standardizing in my garage cleaning cupboard. So here's my garage cleaning cupboard, and I'll show you the video. So here's the video for today. Here is my garage cleaning cupboard, disorganized. I've got some weights and some toasters and a few things in there. It's not really a cleaning cupboard. It's not clear. If you were to go to this cupboard and get something to clean the bathroom, would you know what's what and where to get it? Probably not. So here's what I did. Before and after with standardization. Okay, so here's me shining the area. I put on a face mask because there was some dust. Shining the area, getting rid of the dust, and sorting the area, putting the things where I want them to go. And then next is standardize. So I used my cloth tape, which I love, to basically label all of the things, the baking soda, the borax, the white vinegar. I was going to pause it there. So one of the real benefits of using these labels is, look, number one, kids learn spelling. So if you have the word baking soda and borax, etc., and white vinegar, kids learn how to spell. So make sure you spell the labels correctly. The next thing is that everybody knows the name that we use for that thing. That orange thing there is the spot cleaner. That's baking soda. It's just a real... It's really helpful to use the same words for things in the house. Otherwise, people are searching for, that thing in the garage, what is it? No, where is it? All that confusion. This provides clarity around that. So my cloth tape, I'm basically adding labels to the various products and things. Now, another benefit of this cloth tape is that you can really easily remove it. Once it's on, it doesn't stay there. Look, it doesn't stay there if you don't want it to be. You just grab the corner and tear it off. So really low cost to doing it. And easily changeable. You can even just put a piece of tape over the top of it if you change the item that you want to go there or for whatever reason. So there it is, today's 3S'ing. So these are the resources I used today, a Sharpie and a cloth, and the cloth tape from Bunnings, which I'll add a link to in the description or the comments below. I absolutely love this tape. I use it for everything. So this is another place that I used it, in the rubbish bin. So what was happening is the kids were putting food scraps and recycling inside the rubbish bin. So I simply created a visual cue. So it's really obvious to everybody that uses this bin that this is a rubbish bin. And it just so happens that the here in Australia, the red bins are rubbish, the yellow bins are recycling, and the green bin is the food scraps bin. So thanks for watching. As always, I hope you get some encouragement or some inspiration from this video so that you can 3S your area. Look, the hardest thing is taking a photograph beforehand, because who wants to show their dirty, disorganized area to anybody else? But I encourage you, take a snapshot of before, take a snapshot of after, and share it. Share it within the school community. The Lean Into Life Organize Your Family school community. I would love to see it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.